Have you been wondering how to sweeten your tea using alternatives to sugar? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about foods that you can use to sweeten your teas as well as to add extra flavor. Hello, my name is Kudzai Musengi. I'm the founder of Sensational Seasonals, a home place of African wellness products. If you've been looking to optimize your health and well-being with African plants and foods, then you'll want to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you're the first to find out when I upload new videos. A new chat feature onto my website that allows customers to chat directly with me while they do their shopping. A question that often comes up is, can you add sugar to our herbal teas? Well, the answer is yes. But when you ask a little bit deeper, you find out why somebody would ask whether you would add sugar to your teas or not. And the answer often is because people either are diabetic or they have weight goals that they're trying to achieve. So I thought it would be a great video to make to give people alternatives that they can use instead of adding sugar to sweeten your tea. If you watch all the way to the end, I'll show you my favorite way to sweeten tea without sugar. So first up, we have honey. Honey it goes really well with Zumbani tea. This is Zumbani tea that I'm drinking. Honey goes really well with it because Zumbani is a really delicate tea and it doesn't go well with milk. So you don't add milk to it. Otherwise it masks the subtle flavors. So you have like the lemony grass and the lemon coming through. You don't get that if you add the milk. But if you add honey, it really enhances that flavor. The second lot of foods that you can try to sweeten your tea are the globe artichoke as well as miracle berries. Both of these plants are found in Central and Western Africa, and these plants leave a sweet aftertaste in your mouth after you have eaten them. So we did a family experiment recently where we tried the African miracle berries and then tried a variety of savory foods afterwards to see whether or not this was true. If you want to watch that video, it was a pretty fun video to make. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. So the feedback that I got from that last video was that I didn't show people what the miracle berries look like. So the miracle berries that I found were freeze dried. I found these online. These are actually grown in Australia, so these are not from Africa, but the plant itself originates from Africa. So these are grown here in Australia and they freeze dried, and this is what they look like in the packet. And the people that tend to use them here are people that are undergoing chemotherapy and have poor appetites. So people have found these berries to be really helpful with getting their appetites back or helping them to eat food. The third sweetener that I want to talk about is sweet Dattock. So sweet Dattock is grown in Central Africa, but in the drier parts. It's used in countries like Sudan to make couscous as well as a sweetener for cakes. So the sweet Dattock pulp is a healthier alternative to sugar, and it is used by a lot of diabetics. Another way to get sweetness into your teas is to use fruit. So you can use either fresh fruit or dried fruit. With fresh fruit, you can just slice it up and infuse into the tea, and some of the sugars from the fruit will infuse with the tea and give it like a sweeter taste. Dried fruit is another alternative that you can use. So you can use things like dried apricots or dates, but with dried fruit, you don't infuse your tea. People tend to eat the fruit first and then sip on their tea. And that's how they get the sweetness into their teas. Honey is my favorite sweetener. I think I have honey with just about every cup of tea that I make at home. So I just pop a tea bag into a little teapot. Pop some hot water in there. Put my honey in a cup. I let my tea brew for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then I pour into my little cup. And we enjoy. Nice. Let's make wellness a priority and get better together.